Hey everyone, I'm diving into a pivotal moment that's unfolding right now in Zimbabwe. So, grab your coffee and let's get into it. In a dramatic turn of events, the Zimbabwe opposition has backed down from talks with President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his party, ZANU-PF. This decision comes directly from the voice of the people, those who, just last year, cast their votes hoping for change, but were left disheartened by results they believe were manipulated. President Nelson Chamisa, a figure of hope for many, has made a bold move. He's chosen to listen to the outcry of his supporters, deciding not to pursue dialogue with Mnangagwa. This decision isn't just political posturing, it's a reflection of a leader responding to the call of his people. But what does this mean for Zimbabwe? Well, it's complex. On one hand, this could be seen as a stand for integrity and a refusal to engage under perceived unjust conditions. On the other, it risks stalling any potential progress that could come from negotiation. The stakes are high. Zimbabwe is at a crossroads, balancing between the urgent need for political reform and the stability that dialogue might bring. As the opposition steps back from talks, the international community watches closely, concerned about what this means for democracy and human rights in the region. And here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about Zimbabwe, it's about the power of a collective voice, the resilience to demand justice, and the courage to stand firm on those demands. It's a narrative we see unfolding worldwide, where people are increasingly holding their leaders accountable. So what's next for Zimbabwe? It's uncertain, but one thing is clear. The path forward will be determined by the unwavering spirit of its people, their demands for transparency, and their hopes for a future where their votes truly count. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in a world where you can be anything, be informed. See you in the next one.